Right, another little one. I've got two customer lists here. I've got one customer list and another customer list, but number one is missing some values that is included in the second. 3 values, but what are they? And more importantly, I want them to highlight in red. So how do I do that? Well, I can use conditional formatting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the list because that's what I'm interested in, just in here. That's great. I'm going to go to conditional formatting and down to new rule. I'm going to choose use a formula. I'm going to choose use a formula to determine which cells to format. And the formula will be as follows. Equals is error, open bracket, match, open bracket, the first one, which is just in time, comma, against this whole list here. There you go, comma, 0, close the bracket for the match, close the bracket for the is error. Now, the key to this, again, is to remove the $sign from in front of the 2, so it shifts all the way down. And of course, the most important thing is the color. Let's go to, I know what fill effects. I do want more colors though, and let's just choose it like a ready so it's not too awful. Brilliant. Click on OK, click on OK, click on OK. Job done. I can see it is Carol Singer. And if any of the others that are missing at all, there we go. So bend over now does not appear in that list. Job done. See you next.